Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am washing my short fussy hair and I will be using Lather's pink conditioning shampoo for this wash day. I wet my hair with warm water to soften it and help the shampoo spread easily. I applied a small amount of shampoo due to heavy product buildup, which prevented it from lathering. Then I apply my Lather pink conditioning shampoo again for the second wash. One thing I like about this shampoo is that it doesn't make my hair feel hard or stripped. It has a rich lather and cleanses gently while still leaving my hair soft. I usually wash my hair twice. The first wash removes dirt and product buildup. The second wash really cleans the scalp and allows the shampoo to work better. However, this week I am washing my hair 3 times due to heavy product buildup. As you saw, the first wash didn't lather. I comb gently to detangle. For now, I wash my hair once in a week. Ooh, look at my hair. It's really shrunk, but don't panic. Shrinkage is actually a good thing. For now, I don't deep condition. I only use sheer moisture leave-in conditioner to keep my hair moisturized and soft. Also, I don't blow dry my hair with a dryer. I prefer to let it air dry because it helps reduce heat damage, and I am trying to retain moisture and promote healthy regrowth. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Now, shrinkage is good because it is a sign that your hair is healthy and well hydrated, meaning it still has good elasticity. After applying my leave-in conditioner, I detangle and comb through to ensure the moisture gets into my hair well. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment, please. Comment below how often and how many times you wash your hair. Thank you for watching. Bye.